shop that we have bought. We're here at Speedy Cycle, Shimano, at yung mga regalo natin. Hello kuya! So yung mga regalo natin sa mga bagets, ito, this one, yun, tsaka tong tatlo. Ayun yung for the 5 years old. Yeah, hopefully ma-excite yung mga bata, mag-aaral na mabuti on their graduation. So one of those is John Paul. He didn't graduate pero honorable mention siya. So bibigyan din natin siya ng regalo. Hello? Yan. So we're here inside the van ng delivery ng Lala Move. Kasama namin si Kuya tsaka yung... Ang pangalan pa Jervin. So, i-deliver na natin yung mga bisikleta for the kids. Can't wait to start the party. Malapit na tayo na few meters away. Nandito na tayo sa church. Konting liko na lang and masusurpresa yung mga bata kasi this is gonna be the biggest gifts so far na binibigay natin, and here we go. Nakita nyo yung susunod na kantong yan. Andyan yung center, Kuya Center for Kids, for street children, and yeah, can't wait to start the party. Alright, time check, 1:59. We just arrived here at Kuya Center. At eto, ibababa na natin. Go. Ito na. Alright, so these are the bikes. Kuya, salamat sa pagtulong sa pag-deliver. And we'll be back later.
Give me the time of my life.
Kiling ka ngayon, di ba? Parang naka-dress ka. Expert ka naka-dress ka. Kuminhin ka ngayon.
Okay na, dadami pa.
Madam.
Kasama nyo, kapatid mo, for example. So,
Ayan. So tayo po, ang gagawin natin, pag nabanggit yung pangalan, learn that hard way and moments that made us stronger. So we stand here not just the students who completed our coursework, but as individuals shaped by every challenge we faced. So, ayun, to start with this, may I call on Miss Melanie to start with an opening prayer.
Okay, so let's stand up. Let's bow our head. Dear God, we thank you for these strong and beautiful souls who stand before us today. They have walked a path filled with challenges, yet never lost hope. You have been their shelter, their guide, and their constant source of strength. Today, as they graduate, we celebrate not just achievements, by their courage, resilience, and faith.
Wala ba kayo mga kabaligyan?
Manyo at yung ibang mga nag-aalaga sa inyo. And kami, we're always here.
At sa pangarap natin sa buhay, ngayong mga graduates na kayo, mag-aral ng mabuti. Natin ang presensya ni God. Papa God, maraming salamat po sa isang araw na napakabuti. Panginoon, pinatunayan niyo naman po, kayo po ang nagahari sa puso ng mga batang ito. Lord, alam niyo po yung kagustuhan nila. Tingnan next year, pasukan is, anong grade na kayo? Grade 1! Ikaw, Kuya Jeremy, anong grade ka na? Grade 7 for the following school year. And si John Paul, hindi man siya graduate, pero ano yung na-achieve mo today for this year, John Paul?
Sumaksis.
Honor! Pang ilang honor ka?
With honors.
With honors. Ayan.
Isa pa, bebe. Tayong dalawa. Video to, be.
A proud graduate of our daycare program with a heart full of dreams and determination. Johnny aspires to become a doctor, aiming to heal and help those in need. Ayan, muli palakpakan po natin, Baby Johnny! Ayan.
Baby! Whoa! Congratulations! So, kaya lang yung toga.
Grade 6 student who's dedicated and passion for learning. Jerwin aspires to become an engineer, and his commitment to excellence today lays a strong foundation for his future. Once again, let's give a round of applause for Kuya Jerwin. Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Jerwin. Current graduate, Cart dreams of serving and protecting the community as a dedicated police officer in the future. Wow! Palakpakan naman natin si Cart. Ayan. Together with his daddy. Ayan. Ayan, congratulations again, Kurt. Larazor Jr., a proud kindergarten graduate with a heart full of courage and dream to serve. Manny aspires to become a soldier. Wow! Dedicating himself to protecting and defending our nation. Wow! Again, Manny, we're looking forward for your dream to become a soldier. Ayan. Alright. So, John Kenneth, a proud graduate of our kindergarten program with a heart full of courage and dream to serve. So, John Kenneth aspires to become a police officer. Wow. And dedicating himself to protecting and helping others. Ayan, police. Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya John Kenneth.
Congratulations!
Proudly completing our kindergarten curriculum. So Marvin wants to join the military and dedicated himself to safeguarding and defending our country because he has a brave heart, tama ba? And he has a desire to serve. Congratulations again, Marvin. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Marvin natin. Ngayon niya po is si John Paul B. Gather. John Paul is a great example for his classmates because of his commitment and diligence. Again, congratulations for your award. Okay, again, congratulations po kay John Paul for the academic award. Wow! Na mga bata na pumunta po tayo sa harap. Ayan.
Dito muna. Hi. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Si Kuya Jerwin, halika dito. Kuya Jerwin. Ayan, graduate siya sa grade 6. Okay. Sundalo. Kino-confirm ko lang po kung ang tama. Sundalo daw pala
English
talaga.
mo nga, English.
Ayan.
What do you want?
So, muli sa Simple Family, we would like to congratulate you, Kuya Marvin, and sa susunod na journey mo, which is grade 1. Tama po ba, Ma'am Faith? Grade 1. Ano yung wish mo since nakagraduate ka? Ano yung gusto mong regalo na matanggap mo yung araw na to? Bike daw! Bike! Motor daw! Motor! Grabe naman itong batang ito. So, ano naman gusto mong ma-receive na gift ngayong araw na to? Sapatos na pang basketball! So, ano naman yung gusto mong matanggap ngayong araw na to? Bike din? Kuya John Jay, may bike bang nabili? Parang wala ata? So, from Simple Family, congratulations dahil ikay nakagraduate na sa kinder. Okay, so mag-aral ka mabuti ha, sabi ng mga ate and kuya natin. And magpakabait po tayo palagi, okay? So, congratulations kasi natapos mo yung journey ng kinder. Bakit may award ka?
Nagsulat at nagbasa.
Nagsulat at nagbasa. Ano ba?
Nakinig sa teacher.
Nakinig daw sa teacher. So, nakita ko sa information.
Hi.
Sagad na yung smile na yun.
Ayun na! Ayun na yung mga bata! Wait lang po! Wait lang po! Rehat na kayo, dali!
One.
Ayan, meron po kayong Ayan. Okay, wait lang!
Sige, be.